Hello, this is Chad with Central Heating and Air. I just wanted to do a quick video on how to change the filter. So on this particular system, there's multiple different setups, but this one, it's actually in here. Pull out the old one. You can see there's a flow direction going towards the furnace, which is correct. See, that's a dirty one. Yeah, and the new one, flow direction. Pretty straightforward on this setup. Just drop in and it'll pull itself, as which isn't the case on all furnaces. If it falls back, it won't pull itself, and it'll end up causing you problems like a clogged air conditioning coil, and fan motor, and it's just a mess when they don't seal properly. Anyway, you can see I just click. Hopefully you can see I just click that right back in. This side first. This side. Push it down, and that's it. All set.